Well, how do you pronounce these two words? America and American in the standard American accent. So we're going to talk about it here today in this video. So let's glance over into its characteristic of pronunciation. Keep watching. So the first word is America, and the next word is American. Now, if I were to write this, I was supposed to write these two words, America and American, phonetically, then how would it look like? It would look like something like this. America, America, America. So the first vowel is the schwa, which sounds as Then the second is the consonant, which sounds as me, me, re, k. America, America. And this one would be spelled phonetically as American, 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 American. Now suppose if I am to write this word American, then for the sake of understanding, then I'm gonna write it as per the spelling. It would sound something like American, 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 American. And if it were to be America, then it would be America, America, America. So if we break this word America into syllables, so we're gonna clap in order to break it into syllables. So how it would sound like America. And for the word American, again we have 4 syllables right here. American. The stress is on the second syllable, me. America, America, and American, American. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then do like the video by smashing that like button. And also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button to stay updated for each and every video contents, whatever latest content I'm gonna be posting in the near future on my channel. Anyways guys, thank you very much for watching this video.